Okay, let's go. I don't care if you bought it from Computer Village, Slot, Jumia, Konga, Gigi, or your local plug down the street. Inspect your laptop. Check for scratches. Check your screen for dead pixels. Test the keyboard and the touchpad. Test the charger. Check all the ports, the USB ports, HDMI, headphone jack, etc. Because once you leave the shop or use it for a few days, any problem becomes your problem. Don't assume what the vendor told you is what you got. Check the RAM, check the storage, check the processor even. Some people were told 8 gigs of RAM only to get home and then find out they have only 4 gigs of RAM. Some were even promised an SSD, but turns out they only got a HDD. To check whether your laptop specs match the packaging, on Windows, right click this PC and click Properties and confirm everything. Before you start using the laptop anyhow, charge it to 100% first. Power obviously is not stable here, and battery health matters. Don't use it immediately on low battery. First full charge helps calibrate the battery, and avoid letting it die completely in the first few days. Now let's talk about something a lot of people like to skip: system updates. I know updates can be annoying. You open your laptop, you're ready to work, and suddenly it says, "Updating, please do not turn off your device." And here in Nigeria, the first thought is like, what about light? But here's the thing: updates are actually one of the most important things you can do for a new laptop. First, updates fix bugs. Maybe your laptop freezes randomly, or your Wi Fi disconnects for no reason, or the sound just disappears, then just comes back. Those are bugs. When companies like Microsoft or Apple release updates, they're fixing those small issues people have been complaining about all over the world. So if you don't update your laptop regularly, you're basically choosing to live with your problems that already have solutions. So make sure you update your laptops frequently, please. Updates also improve performance. Some people think updates only make laptops slower, but in reality, many updates actually make your laptop run better. Updates help your laptop start faster, open apps quicker, manage your RAM better, and use battery more efficiently. Especially for a new laptop, updates help the system to understand the hardware properly. So instead of your battery dropping fast or your fan making noise like generator, updates help everything run smoothly. Okay, now this one is very important. Updates also improve security. Everyday hackers find new ways to attack laptops through Wi-Fi, flash drives, fake software, or even random links. But when a security problem is discovered, companies release updates that block that problem. If you don't update your laptop, you're basically leaving the back door open. That's how some people wake up one day and find all their files are gone, or their laptop is acting strange, or ads are popping up everywhere. You know those ads I'm talking about. Think of updating your laptop like locking your doors and windows at night. You don't wait until something bad happens before you protect yourself. So try and do updates when you have good Wi-Fi. Maybe at your workplace, a cyber cafe, or during night browsing. Or even tether from someone with unlimited data if you can. But just do it once and you won't have to worry about it again for a long time. One mistake a lot of people make with new laptops is installing everything at once. You just buy a new laptop and the excitement is there. You start downloading Chrome, Zoom, WhatsApp, Photoshop, games, editing software, torrent apps, everything back to back to back to back. But honestly, all of that can slow your laptop down from day one. See, when you install too many apps at once, especially heavy ones, your laptop starts to struggle. Some of these apps run in the background, start automatically when you turn on the laptop, start using RAM without you even knowing. So before you even enjoy your laptop properly, it already feels slow. So think of your laptop like a brand new car engine. If you start pushing it too hard on the very first day, high speed, bad roads, no braking, you'll damage it faster. So a new laptop needs time to settle. So on the first day, focus only on essential apps, the things that you actually need to use the laptop. First, install a browser, any one of your choice: Chrome, Edge, Firefox, whatever. Then you can download Microsoft Office or any alternative like LibreOffice or Google Docs. Whether you're a student, worker, or business owner, you'll need Word, Excel, or PowerPoint. Then a PDF reader, because many documents come out as PDF files these days. and you don't want to struggle opening files. And a media player, something that can play videos smoothly without any stress. I personally recommend VLC Media Player. Also, on the first day, avoid installing heavy games, downloading cracked software, installing editing software you don't immediately need, and installing too many startup apps. Those things can wait. After a few days, once your laptop has been updated and settled, you can start installing other apps one by one. This way, if anything causes a problem, you'll know exactly what it is. Theft, viruses, and flash drive wahala are real, so make sure your Windows Defender is turned on or any other antivirus software that you have. Set a strong password or PIN for your computer. Enable Find My Device and turn on Auto Lock. If anything happens, at least your data is protected. People only start backing up after something has spoiled, so make sure you have different alternative ways to back up your data, such as getting an external hard drive or using the cloud like Google Drive or OneDrive. Your laptop default settings are not made for Nigeria, so make sure you set your power mode settings to balanced, adjust sleep settings, reduce unnecessary background apps, because this helps the battery last longer, especially during long power outages. Okay, this one is very important. If you can, please invest in a surge protector, because this can actually save your entire laptop. Factors like power surges, generator fluctuations, or your normal NEPA wahala can actually cause your laptop to malfunction. So please try and invest in a surge protector. Okay, bye.